Describing symptoms to a doctor during a consultation. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What is wrong with you?
I feel very sick today.
Can you describe your symptoms?
I have a terrible headache.
Does your throat hurt?
Yes, it is very sore.
Do you have a fever?
I think I have a low fever.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay, I am ready.
It is 38 degrees. That is high.
I also have a bad cough.
Are you coughing up anything?
No, it is just a dry cough.
How long have you felt this way?
It started 2 days ago.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I haven't taken anything yet.
Do you have any allergies?
I am allergic to penicillin.
I will note that down.
My body aches too.
Where does it hurt the most?
My back and my legs hurt.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
It is a dull, constant pain.
Have you been drinking water?
Yes, but not enough.
You need to drink more water.
I also feel very tired.
You must stay in bed.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
No, you need to rest.
What should I eat?
Eat some soup and fruit.
When will I get better?
You should rest for a few days.
Okay, I will rest.
Here is your prescription.
How often should I take it?
Take one pill every day.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Take care.
Asking someone about their dreams and aspirations. Do you have a dream?
Yes, I have a few.
What is the most important one?
I want to be a writer.
That is very cool.
I love writing stories.
What kind of stories?
Stories about love and life.
Do you write every day?
I try to write in the evening.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes I have no ideas.
What do you do then?
I go for a walk outside.
That helps you think?
Yes, fresh air is good.
Do you want to publish a book?
Yes, that is my big goal.
I will buy your book.
Thank you. That means a lot.
What about other dreams?
I want to learn French too.
French is a beautiful language.
It sounds very romantic.
Why do you want to learn it?
I want to live in Paris.
Paris is a great city.
I hope to move there someday.
You should start studying now.
I found a teacher yesterday.
That is a great start.
I am very excited about it.
Dreams make life interesting.
I agree. We need goals.
I hope you succeed.
I will do my best.
Asking a professor about exam dates. Excuse me, professor. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I want to ask about the final exam.
Sure. What do you want to know?
When is the exam date?
It is scheduled for next month.
Do you know the exact day?
Let me check my calendar.
Take your time, please.
Okay, the exam is on the 15th.
Is it in the morning or afternoon?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Where will the exam be held?
It will be in room 302.
How long is the exam?
You have 2 hours to finish it.
What should we bring for the exam?
Just bring your student ID and a pen.
Can we use a dictionary?
No, dictionaries are not allowed.
Is the exam format multiple choice?
Part of it is, and there is an essay.
How many questions are there?
There are 50 questions in total,
Is the material from the whole book?
mostly from chapters 5 to 10.
Will there be a review class?
Yes, next Friday we will review.
What time is the review class?
It is at the usual class time.
Can you give us some past papers?
I will upload them on the website,
When will you upload them?
probably by this weekend.
Is the exam very difficult?
If you study hard, it will be fine.
I am a bit worried about my grade.
Don't worry, just do your best.
When can we get our results?
I will release the grades in 2 weeks.
Can we check the score online?
Yes, you can check it on the portal.
Thank you for the information.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Discussing a missed appointment with the receptionist. Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Lee.
Good morning. What is your name, sir?
My name is Mark Wilson.
Let me check the schedule for you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Wilson, your appointment was at 9 a.m.
Oh, I thought it was at 10 a.m.
It is 10:30 a.m. right now.
I am so sorry. I am late.
Did you forget the time?
Yes, I mixed up the time this morning.
That happens to everyone sometimes.
Is the doctor very busy now?
Yes, he is with a patient right now.
Can I still see him today?
Let me check if he has free time later.
Please, I really need to see him.
Please wait here for 1 minute.
Okay, I am waiting.
I am sorry, but he is fully booked today.
Oh no, that is a problem.
Can you come back tomorrow?
What time is available tomorrow?
We have an opening at 11 a.m.
11 a.m. works for me.
Great, I will change your appointment.
Do I need to pay a fee for this?
No, there is no charge for rescheduling.
That is very kind of you.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will be there on time tomorrow.
Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, I have it right here.
Okay, everything is set now.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Asking a professor for a recommendation letter. Hello, professor. Do you have a minute?
Hello. Yes, I have some time now.
I need to ask you a favor.
Sure, what do you need?
Can you write a letter for me?
What kind of letter is it?
It is for a university application.
Which university are you applying to?
I want to go to a school in London.
That sounds like a great plan.
I was in your class last year.
Yes, I remember you well.
I hope my grades were good.
You did a very good job.
The deadline is next month.
That gives me enough time.
I can send you my resume.
Yes, Please send it to me.
Should I write a draft for you?
No, I will write it myself.
Do I need to give you an envelope?
No, I will send it by email.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome.
I will see you in class next week.
Goodbye and good luck.
Discussing lifestyle changes for better health with a doctor. Hello, doctor. I want to be healthier.
That is great. What is your goal?
I feel tired all the time.
Do you sleep well at night?
No, I sleep very late.
You need more rest.
I also eat fast food often.
That is not good for your heart.
I know, but it is easy.
You should cook at home.
I do not know how to cook.
It is easy to learn.
What about exercise?
You must move your body.
I sit at work all day.
Try to walk during lunch.
How much water should I drink?
Drink at least 8 glasses.
I drink too much coffee.
Try to drink less caffeine.
Can I eat fruit?
Yes, fruit is very healthy.
What about vegetables?
You need to eat them every day.
I do not like green vegetables.
You can try different recipes.
Should I join a gym?
You can, or just run outside.
I smoke sometimes.
You must stop smoking.
It is very hard to quit.
I can help you with that.
How often should I check my health?
Come back in 3 months.
Okay, I will try my best.
Small steps are important.
Thank you for the advice.
Take care of yourself.
Goodbye, doctor.
See you next time.
Describing symptoms to a doctor during a consultation. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down. What is wrong with you?
I do not feel very well.
I am sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
I have a terrible headache.
Where does it hurt exactly?
It hurts right here in my forehead.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel very hot.
Let me check your temperature. Please put this under your tongue.
Okay, is it high?
Yes, you have a fever of 38 degrees.
Oh no, that is not good.
Do you have any other symptoms?
My throat hurts a lot when I swallow.
Please open your mouth and say ah.
Ah, it is painful.
Your throat looks very red. Do you have a cough?
Yes, I have a dry cough.
Are you coughing up any phlegm?
No, it is just a dry cough.
How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday evening.
Did you eat anything unusual yesterday?
No, I just had dinner at home.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Does your body ache?
Yes, my back and legs hurt.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I feel very weak and sleepy.
Have you taken any medicine?
I took some aspirin, but it did not help.
Okay, I think you have the flu.
Is it serious?
No, but you need to rest.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
No, you should stay in bed for a few days.
What should I take for the pain?
I will give you a prescription.
How often should I take the medicine?
Take one pill every 6 hours.
Should I drink more water?
Yes, drink plenty of warm water.
What about food?
Eat some soup and light food.
When should I come back?
Come back if you do not feel better in 3 days.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Take care.